Good morning.
Hi guys.
Welcome to Miami Event Decor channel. Today we're doing a princess theme party. So we're gonna have princesses. Here's my princess.
Yes, princesses, flowers, balloons,
And a dessert cart.
Yes.
So it's gonna be inside because Florida right now is hot. So they decided to do inside and it's all good for us. It's gonna be good. Less sweating for me.
Yes, and clients wants to mix pastel colors and some bright colors. So a little bit challenge because it's already a lot of colors, all colors, plus pastel and bright. So need to mix them together somehow.
Andiamo, principessa.
That's our dessert cart. It fit in our car.
Basic assembling.
I like this. Happy birthday.
That's a lot of cutouts. But these are different colors. But this is good for
That's really nice, yeah.
outside. This is good.
Okay, let's go inside.
Hey, princess.
So, I have a whole set of pastel colors. But I'm gonna add some bright yellow, some darker pink, and darker blue. A little bit, just to make it
Pale
bright. Pale blue, but still it's not the pastel blue.
Different.
It's still not pastel blue, it's still brighter. Just to mix brighter and pastel colors together. So everything I could. Just now needs to mix it nicely. Somehow.
You're gonna mix it? Oh no, you're gonna make a.
Yeah, I'm gonna do pastel, but I also want to add some brighter colors. Because princesses, they are bright. So. And I guess other decoration is, I don't see right now much, but I guess just about bright as well, mix.
Okay.
So we're gonna mix. I don't know, maybe I'm not lucky, but Tuftex has a lot of holes all the time. Like you can take 2, 3 in the row.
Wow.
Just I took this one. Same. A lot of them like this. And I love this brand, but let's see if that one is lucky. I love them, but a lot of balloons with holes for some reason. I don't know.
Alright, so we have our open arch and large arch in a bunch of balloons and colors. How's it going?
It's a lot of colors.
But yeah, that's the point.
Lost and all colors I have.
What?
Lost and all colors I have.
Shall we just sort them out?
You have, I'm thinking I'm gonna do pink, a large arch, and blue, open arch.
Okay. Blues.
Since I have a lot of colors, I'm gonna do small part of each color, like 1.5 plus of each color.
quality is so great. This is the best cover you can find. I'm pretty sure. It's reinforced here. There's big zip. It perfectly fits.
Cover all of this space and we have resort cards. So let's think how we place it. Honey, actually you can keep it like it is.
Yeah,
Resort cards on the right, yes.
Because here you're gonna have pictures and we will like coming here.
Yeah. It's actually barely fits, and I need also balloons. I mean, actually we have balloons here inside, so I can move this to the end.
Yeah.
So this to the end, this here. And yes, I guess we're gonna put this red card right here next to it, maybe on a little bit on the corner, and we can put this red card like this.
Wow, it looks like it's coming out.
I'm just tying it to the neck. Faster. Okay, now when the garland, put this your part.
Yo voy a hacerte el amor en la cama, ve que tú eres mi dama. Ey, tienes día que te gusta, tú sabes que tú eres mi princesa. Yeah, yeah. Vente pa' acá, mamá, tú sabes que yo soy de una dama, que no vas a intentar mis brazos, darte lo que quieras, mi amor.
Touch up. Where you guys from?
No, perdóname, saliendo todos los días con mis panas, fumando marihuana, bebiendo y pimpeando, jangueando. Yo sé que eso a ti no te gusta. Saliendo todos los días con mis panas, fumando marihuana, bebiendo y pimpeando, jangueando. Yo sé que eso a ti no te gusta. Tú y yo, en la cama tú y yo.
So the cards.
Careful with your head.
Which side?
Yeah, balloons is on the right.
Like this?
So like this, yes. Yeah, like this. Like this is perfect, and add balloons on the side.
Okay.
It's good.
I can move it a little bit backwards.
Okay, it's good.
And look what we have over there.
Yeah, so Eiffel Tower.
That's Eiffel Tower. That's French. That's
I'm more
Paris.
concerned that we have something which should not be open.
We can.
Let's see, maybe I'll do all balloons here, or we have princesses cutouts, so Let me first do garlands on the card and figure out.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Look guys, what we got.
That's good.
Some kind of meat. Maybe we came here to work, not to eat.
So, you're gonna finish the garlic. I'm gonna finish this. That's good. You should smell it. On iPhone 36, they're gonna have the smell function. You're gonna be able to smell it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. No, it's just that it's a little hidden over there. I mean, we can stick it up high. Ooh. Careful to that.
Or you can put this one in the back too.
Probably we can attach it higher, so like this.
Yeah.
This is probably better, right?
Okay, I'll give you some.
Or you know, Pocahontas is higher. Maybe we can put Pocahontas here.
Yeah.
And this one. And Pocahontas is higher, so.
Pocahontas is a different kind of princess. Like, doesn't have a big lip.
I know, but.
Well,
And we have Jasmine, who doesn't stay.
Jasmine just Jasmine.
Jasmine somehow.
Just put it glued on or something.
Yeah.
Quiero hacerte el amor en la cama tú y yo. Quiero hacerte el amor en la cama tú y yo. Hasta el amanecer. Quiero hacerte el amor tú y yo. Tú y yo.
So we're gonna put this on the back of the cart.
When you come back from Ohio, I can let you play with it.
Tú y yo. Tú y yo.
Flowers maybe.
Yeah, I mean, I could go further, but I think we just need to get the cart closer, maybe. Just pull a little bit. A little bit, and you're good. Yeah, there you go.
Some flowers here, so it's
Yeah, it's very nice.
Tú y yo.
I think you can put in balloons. I think with flowers, you put jasmine and
Okay.
what I think. I mean, with the
Okay.
dessert probably it will be covered. It is dessert, so we're not gonna see the
Yeah,
backdrop.
iron would have been better, but
Oh, this is the
Yeah, but I don't know if they have Caesar, but I mean, if you put high cake
Yeah.
and a lot of sweets, it probably will be covered. So.
yeah, great. Didn't close good, and we kicked it, so we have everywhere. So we're gonna clean this. It's good we're not on the carpet. Good job.
This chair, maybe you can put right here in front.
If you want. I think it's for
you
them.
can see here. I guess it would be great. She sit with the princesses. She's going around. She's
Alright.
sitting around. cover everything. Do you like it, baby?
Yeah, I love it. I think it's very princessy.
Yeah, I know you wish to see it, but
Yeah, I'm sure.
you're gonna break it.
It's my princess. You're a princess. I'm a princess. See, I'm a princess. So thanks for watching. If you like it, put a like. And if you're a princess, put a like. And if you're not a princess, maybe you're a prince and you can put a like as well. Put a comment if you want to comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you. Have a good princess weekend.